Now, while you are here and still dreaming the dream of life, and you have not yet broken the tomb and pushed away the stone, and you have not yet been born from above, you can change the dream you're dreaming now. Oh yes, you'll have the things that your body must encounter. All the weaknesses, you are going to have them. All the strengths, you will have them. But you can change the dream and modify the dream. If you're dreaming now recession, dreaming depression, dreaming this, that, or the other, you can stop that dream. What would it be like if you ask yourself a simple question? What would it be like if I were now the man that I would like to be? Dare to assume that you are that man. And to the degree that you are self-persuaded that you are, though reason denies it, and your senses deny it, if you are self-persuaded, it will happen in your world, because it's a dream. It doesn't seem like it's a dream. I tell you, it is a dream. The whole vast world is a dream. And you are the dreamer of the dream. But now, if you let tomorrow morning's paper suggest the kind of dream that you should dream, and there seem to scour the entire world to get some story that is frightening. They're not satisfied to print what is happening here. It is scary enough. They've got to go all over the world to find something that is more frightening to put it as a headline. And so they feed you that with your coffee in the morning. And so man is given the kind of thing they want you to dream. It's a scare philosophy. They sell things based upon fear. Well, they don't accept it. Know what you want in this world, and only that, and feed yourself that. What would it be like if my friends, my family, well, you name it, if we were now what we would like to be? And then persuade yourself that it is.